Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about important Gazette notification issued by Ministry of Labour and Employment related to competitive examination in mines. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel Suranga Oli so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. The Ministry of Labour and Employment has released an official Gazette notification on December 15, 2020. According to this notification, the Mines Manager Competency Examination was last conducted in the year 2016. After that, due to many changes in regulation and many notifications related to bylaws of examination, the computer-based examination was not conducted for 4 years since 2016. Because of this, there may be shortage of person who is holding the certificate of competency, and because of this shortage, there may be problem in maintaining the safety in the mines. In order to eradicate this problem and to conduct the examination as immediately as possible, there is a need to change the provision related to submission of examination in Metalliferous Mines Regulation 1961. According to this notification, from December 15, 2020 to 30th of June 2021, the Metalliferous Mines Regulation 1961 will be replaced by Metalliferous Mines Amendment Regulation 2020. The following changes are introduced in newly introduced Metalliferous Mines Amendment Regulation 2020. Regulation number 14, Submission of Application. Sub-regulation number 1. The examination can be conducted in any mode. For example, it can be a computer-based or written mode which will be specified by Board of Examination. Sub-regulation number 2. The date and the place of the examination should be intimated not less than 60 days prior to the date fixed by the board for receiving applications. The closing date for receipt of the application shall not be less than 60 days to the date of the examination. But if the examination is conducted by computer-based test mode, the 60 days in both the cases will be replaced by 30 days. To tell you clearly, in order to conduct the examination as quick as possible, government has now brought changes in Metalliferous Mines Regulation 1961 and they call them as Metalliferous Mines Amendment Regulation 2020, and it will be in force from 15th December 2020 to 30th of June 2021. This means that the examination will be conducted within this prescribed period. Previously, we had 60 plus 60, total 120 days before the date of examination. But according to new regulation, we have only 30 plus 30, total 60 days before the date of examination if examination is conducted by computer-based test mode. Hope this video was very useful to you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.